It breaks my heart to see these little babies carrying other little babies and then trying and selling you things. We have freshened up and don't look homeless anymore.
Yeah,
Yay!
I really appreciated the shower that I just took, because even though the bus ride was really nice and smooth and it wasn't hot, it was like AC'd, you just get sticky from traveling and kind of gross when you like lay on beds that other people have laid on and all that jazz.
I didn't have time to iron my hair yesterday, and I have really frizzy Latin people hair.
And with this humidity, it just kind of
poops. So if I don't iron it, I look like the troll doll you saw this morning. So fix that.
Anyways, I think now we're gonna go grab a cup of coffee, because in the last couple nights, I've got like 4 hours of sleep each night. And we're of course going to figure out if there's karaoke. We literally saw this from like the window of our room, and Annette was like, we're going there first thing, first order of business. So I guess let's go in.
For an hour.
150.000.
150 for an hour. Okay, pick up like tonight. Yeah. Perfect.
Okay.
Yeah. 150.
All right, that was easy. We found out it's $6 an hour and they're open late. Cool, we'll be coming back later. Now to coffee. Oh.
It's closed.
Ciao.
Ciao, Aim.
Ciao. Come on. Come on. Hey. What's up? Who's such a good boy? Who's such a good boy?
Leave it? Okay. Oh, come on.
Perfect, 35. Sound good? So we found a place to eat, and some meals that are really popular in Vietnam. One is called bún cha, and the other one's called pho. And bún cha is basically pork that's been like turned into like patties and like bacon, and then beef broth, and then pork shoved in there, and then these delicious rice noodles that I just want to just put all up in my mouth. And then pho, there's two, well, I'm sure there's more, but pho bo is beef pho, and that's basically like beef noodle soup. And then pho ga, which is chicken noodle soup. And they're really good. And they're usually between, I want to say what you should be paying is between like 25,000 dong and 40 to 50,000 dong, absolutely max. Our usual price is about 30. Anything more than that, and Annette's not paying it.
So this is what pho bo looks like. It comes with these delicious rice noodles. This one's a little oilier than most. Most of them don't have as much oil sitting on the top. Sorry if I sound a little stuffed up. I've been sick the last couple days and just ignoring it, hoping that it goes away. It's kind of working. And then I pet that puppy, and I'm allergic. But anyways, I'm gonna wait till this cools down so it doesn't just burn my mouth. But it's delicious. I'll try it in a sec.
So I got bún cha, and it is absolutely delicious broth like I was telling you earlier. This one looks a little different. I wonder if this is chicken or pork. I guess I'm about to find out. Yep. Everything I needed right now.
So let's see how Annette likes crossing the road. Let's see if she's actually looking. Usually she has to just like tuck on the side, because you literally just have to walk here. No. Like you still kind of look. I know my tour guide the first day I was here was like, never make eye contact and they won't hit you.
Yeah.
And so I stick with that, and I just kind of walk.
That's actually exactly what I've done. Guys, I have to admit, Vietnam has been a total culture shock, and we have been here for a month now.
Yeah, it has.
Out of all of the countries in Southeast Asia, I have never crossed a road quite like here. Sidewalks in Hanoi don't actually exist.
Yeah.
It's just been an experience. I literally get on the back of Daniel's scooter, and I'm like, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God. If you guys follow on Instagram, there's so many times where I'm like recording the traffic and all you hear me say is, oh my God, in the background.
100%. Or like, the times where like she's not actually paying, I'm like, oh my God, did you just see that?
Nope.
And she's like, nope, I'm looking at my phone.
Yep. If I'm gonna die, I don't want to know what's coming. So Sapa is a really beautiful tiny village town all the way north of Vietnam. Literally guys, we are an hour away from China and an hour away from Laos. And right now we're right in the middle of town. It's called Phan Plaza. I'm probably saying that wrong. But there's a church, there's a little plaza where people are playing soccer, and then there's a station back here where I think it's really just shops. But guys, everywhere you look, you're in the middle of this beautiful mountain range. Actually, the tallest mountain range in all of Southeast Asia. Now, time to explore. Oh my gosh, but they didn't hit me. My little heart's beating so fast.
I was like, bail out, bail out.
No, no. You can't cop out. You just have to do it. The moment you hesitate, you're dead. You're squashed.
So we were wondering what the whole plaza station thing was, and apparently this is where you get the cable car. So we'll be coming back here tomorrow.
I actually can't confirm nor deny that. So
all
I know right now is that it's a shopping mall and a restaurant.
Yeah.
And it looks bougie.
Yeah, it does look very bougie
what is
and kind of out of place because the rest of the town's very like, it's pretty,
Villagey.
but it's very villagey, and then you have this.
Which you'd think is kind of like the point of coming to like such a remote area of Vietnam.
Yeah, right.
But then you find gems like this, I guess.
So you guys missed it. Actually, this morning Annette went face first into a glass door. And I thought we were gonna be nice and not talk about that. But then she literally just almost tripped over a small ledge.
I am graceful. Why does that always happen to me?
One thing to note when you guys are here, we kind of read about this online and we're experiencing this in person. If you have zippered or velcroed pockets, put all your valuables in it, because when the kids come up to you and try and steal stuff, they like properly bump against you. Like,
dude, they're experts. They are pro little thieves. And what are you gonna do? Like,
yeah,
they're like 4 and 5 and get taught how to do this.
Yeah, 100%.
Look, watch. I want to grab it.
But see how she's literally just following her? That girl to the right of the two chicks crossing the road, she's not with them. She's been bugging them for like 5 minutes on buying stuff. She keeps bumping into them.
I'm gonna walk toward the broccoli.
What is the broccoli?
The mountain. It looks like a head of broccoli. It's just like lumpy and green. Here's to not bumping into any more. So we just found a little market and we're gonna go and see what they have and see what the prices are like. So come along. Chao. Chi. No.
Chu.
Chao. No.
Chu.
Chu's boy.
Oh.
Chao go.
Go.
I think we walked the whole thing. Ready to go back? So there's tons of little hill tribe like handmade crafts. I have heard, however, that some of this is made in China and then imported here and then sold. But I did see a little lady like making thread so that she could embroider it into a bag, and that was really, really neat. Charlene, sing that quoi? Come on, sing that quoi? Aim quoi come? Aim quoi? Very pretty. Is that your brother? It breaks my heart to see these little babies carrying other little babies and then trying and selling you things. It hurts the soul. I want to adopt them and take them home.
But I definitely have to embrace that it's just a different culture.
And we're gonna give our baby something different.
Yeah, and hopefully be able to help other babies like this.
Yeah.
But one day.
Yeah. The guy in the monkey suit over there is just being weird. I don't actually know what he's doing. outside of mean mugging people dressed in a funky suit. I'm gonna go give this guy a high five. Oh, I'll give you a high five. No photo, but high five. You look cool.
Người đẹp.
Tên là gì?
Sao?
Tên là gì sao?
Khí, monkey.
No, monkey, no. Oh, friend, come on. No, I don't take picture. But come on, you look that.
Cat boy, cat boy.
Cat boy?
Cat boy.
I don't know what that means. Does that mean pretty?
Cat boy.
Okay.
Cat boy. Đẹp trai.
I don't know what that interaction was. I'm just gonna walk away awkwardly because I don't know how to feel about it. I think he just said a bunch of things to me in Vietnamese, but I oftentimes don't know if it's appropriate or not, so I just pretend like I don't understand. Actually, I don't pretend like I don't understand. I don't actually understand.
No, come on.
Come on. What's up?
Hello. Ciao.
When they hand you sketchy alcohol, you say yes. Come on. That long. That long. First impressions of Sapa, when they invite you in and throw alcohol in your hands, you say yes and you take it. I will say, guys, actually, I'm gonna talk to my ladies out there. If you guys have any sort of hip or bottom situation, don't wear a short dress. Because I don't think that Vietnamese men have ever seen a butt in their lives. Or anything with any sort of shape from like the waist down. They stare and not shyly. Oh, and also very useful Vietnamese lessons for when you're getting harassed down the street. Het gặp lại is see you later. Tạm biệt, bye. Không, cảm ơn, no thank you. And chào em. They look so sad. It's okay, my heart's not broken into a bazillion pieces right now.
Accurate.